Hi, my name is Will Hubble, and I'm a personal trainer at Mashouf. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a split squat machine, and the primary muscles that are going to be used are the glutes and the quads. Starting off, to adjust just to your liking, so by moving the pad into these little slots right here. And at this point, I like to start off with my knee on the floor, putting my off foot on the pad. And also, it's good to put your primary leg about 90 degrees from your body. At this point, hinge forward, pick up the dumbbells, drive your leg up. Because this is really taxing on your balance, it's good to control the weight going down, hinging forward, and then driving your leg up. All right, having your feet a little more inward is going to isolate more of your quads, and moving your foot a little further out is going to hit more glutes. Thank you for watching, guys. Now it's your turn.